Hello and welcome to Mickey Art. My name's Michelle Edhouse, and today I want to tell you about the release of my digital print. It's taken me a while. Sorry guys, I'm not very speedy at getting things done, but this is my dipped not poured, the first one out of that series. In that video that went viral, I was so excited. We've hit 500,000 views on that video, so thank you all who have watched it. And so the painting itself of this has been sold. It went to the USA, so I thought I would give you all a chance to have this in your own world if you chose to. This is a photo of when it was dry that I have just tidied up a little bit and cleaned up and made it pretty. So you can buy the digital of this for $5 on my website. It's $5 New Zealand, so it works out about $3.50 American or something like that. Payment is through PayPal, and it's all through the website, so it's really easy. You basically get a digital image. Well, you do. You get a JPEG file of this with the borders, with my little signature thing in the corner, and you can print it out. So this was printed as is, the file itself as is, onto photo paper. As you can see, it's glossy, in photo quality print, just on my home printer. It's nothing special. It's just a normal home printer. And so the colors are vibrant, the clarity is there. If I can get the camera to focus on it, the clarity is there. You can see that it was on a canvas, so there's the canvas marks in there. But it's a lovely piece of art, and you can print it out at A4 or letter size. You can print it out smaller as a card size. Hey, you could even put it on something and have it printed out on a t-shirt or on some magical method, however you want to do that. What I do want to show you though is that the quality of paper and the quality of the settings, the print settings that you use, definitely makes a difference. So this is photo paper on photo quality printing. You don't get these little hideous marks that my printer did on it. It's not part of the photo, as you can see on these ones. This one is exactly the same image. Look at the difference in colors. I didn't change anything. I just printed it on normal printer paper, copy paper, and this one is printed at best quality printing, but on normal copy paper. So it's still quite a good picture, but it's just not got the same intensity of color and the same vibrancy as the photo quality paper. Okay, so just have a look at the differences in colors and stuff like that. So that's normal paper, but great printing. Then we've got normal paper and normal printing. Now the colors are fairly similar because they're on the same sort of paper, but I want you to look at, let's look down here at these little green parts, because it's quite clearly different in the quality of print. Okay, the other place is on this pink. If I can fit it both in, you can actually see a difference in the quality of how it prints. Let me show you. So that one compared to that one. So again, same paper, best print quality, normal print quality. Same print quality, photo paper, normal paper. So please be aware of that when you're printing as to what you're choosing and how you'd like them to come out. Let me see if I can fit all 3 of them into, here we go. So if you would like a copy of this, then please jump onto my website, mickeyart.co.nz/digital, and that will take you to the page that I will have all digital that are available showing up. At the moment, I think we've got this one and one other. So how does it get any better than that? If you're interested, awesome. If not, awesome. But thanks again for all of you who watched and all of you who commented and shared that video for us to hit 500,000 views on that. Well, we're over that now, 537,000 I think now. And I will link to that video at the end of this one so you can check it out if you haven't already. Super grateful to all of you who've watched it, shared it, and come on board and become subscribers since then. So once again, thanks heaps, and if you want a copy of it digital, jump on there. One proviso: I still own the digital rights to this image. It is not to be used for commercial. It is not to be on-sold. So that's proviso. It's for private use only. Alright guys, thanks again, and I will see you in my next painting video. Cheers, bye bye.